For more than 50 years, Intran has been manufacturing bent and formed tubes for the automotive industry. From the reception and review of materials to each step of the manufacturing process, our experienced team is on the job. Whether your project requires a simple bend or complex tube bending, we deliver superior components. At Intran, we use CNC equipment to produce precise, quality tubes and sub-assemblies, each one ready to be installed directly into a vehicle. Our processes include tube straightening, cutting, bending, forming, hydroforming, stamping, and spot welding tubes for various motor vehicle applications. Our equipment can process tubes from 4 to 42 millimeters in diameter, with a thickness of 3 millimeters and a diameter of 35 millimeters in bending, and in forming with a thickness of 1.5 millimeters. We have the facilities and equipment that ensure our parts meet the highest standards of the automotive industry. Intran's infrastructure supports the projects that our customers demand, faithfully complying with our IATF 16949 quality system. With the support of 3 generations of experience working in the field, Intran is the best option.